Another variant of the infamous Stop Djvu ransomware family has been uncovered, and this time it's ZATE Ransomware. Like other strains from the same ransomware group, this version also locks important files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Threats like ZATE ransomware can spread via software bundling, so if you often download freeware or pirated apps distributed via torrent or cracked software sites, you may easily end up installing this threat. ZATE ransomware locks most popular file types including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the file encryption process, the malware adds the .zate extension to affected files, leaving a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder containing encrypted files. There are no free online decryption tools available that can unlock the encrypted files. The only reliable way to recover affected files is to restore them from a backup. Victims can also attempt to use alternative data recovery options, but there's no guarantee that alternative data recovery tools will be able to unlock all the encrypted files. After download and installation, ZATE ransomware leverages the AES encryption algorithm to lock up target files. It then demands a ransom in exchange for the decryption key. The decryption key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if the victim's contact with them is within the first 72 hours after infection. The hackers can be contacted at restorealldata@firemail.cc and support@fishmail.top. We discourage establishing contact with the hackers, however, as there's no guarantee that they'll provide decryption tools after payment or even communicate with you. How do I deal with the ZATE ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the ZATE ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way, you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.